In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Renko Candles Overlay Indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like because we're just focusing on how to add and manage the indicator itself. To begin, move your mouse to the top of your chart and look for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Indicators window where you can search for and manage everything you add to your chart. Once the Indicators window is open, look for the search bar near the top. Click on the search field so your cursor is active there. This is where you can type the name of any indicator you want to use. Using the search bar is the easiest way to quickly find specific tools without scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search bar, type Renko Candles Overlay. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results. Make sure you type it clearly so the correct script appears in the list below. When you see Renko Candles Overlay show up in the results, that's the one you want. Click on it once and TradingView will immediately apply it to your chart as an overlay on top of your existing price action. After the Renko Candles overlay is added, you'll see it appear in your chart's indicator list, usually at the top or bottom of the chart area. Next to the indicator's name, there will be a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Click on that settings icon to open the indicator's properties. Here, you can adjust things like the brick size, colors, or any other options the script provides, depending on how you like your Renko view to look and behave. If at any point you decide you don't want the Renko Candles overlay on your chart anymore, you can remove it just as easily. In that same indicator list, next to the settings icon, you'll see an option to remove or delete the indicator. Click on Remove, and the Renko overlay will disappear from your chart, returning you to your standard view. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro, and you want to unlock more powerful tools and a smoother experience, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can get the most out of Renko Candles Overlay and all the other advanced indicators available in TradingView Pro.